Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to subscribe to X, formerly Twitter Premium, on your phone. To do this you have just to go to X, open the app, and after that go click on your picture or icon on the top left of the screen, and as you can see there is a list here. Click on Premium and it will give you the options that you can choose for Premium. You can choose Basic, Premium, or Premium Plus. And you can choose whether you want monthly or annual payment. You can choose that. And after that, you can click on Subscribe and Pay. And here it will give you the option to just pay your account, and of course after paying your account you will be subscribed to X Premium. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.